How you doing, everyone? Welcome back. I'm going to take a quick look at gods. Yeah, and apologies that I've not been making videos daily as I was. It's just sometimes you do need to tune out and just have a little reset before you jump on with the charts. And I do recommend everyone has a couple of days away. Whether it's good or bad for the portfolio, it's always good to have a little reset. And after we saw some good bullish momentum with Bitcoin, that kind of gave me the perspective I needed to just sit back, pressure was off for a little while, and just sort of allow the volatility to continue on its own. So where are we with gods? I'm on the daily chart at the moment, and it's fair to say that we've found the new low. We've completely and utterly fallen through the 786, which I didn't expect, and if it did occur, I would have expected us to have had a quick return back to the upside above 418. Considering that Bitcoin had a nice run around this period of time, I am surprised to see that we actually fell off the table back to our historic all-time low, and we've spent the last 4 days struggling to break above. However, I can say that we are now on our way. So we did have a break above once, twice, back tested, slightly more testing and some consolidation, and we are now holding strong at 296. So what I would like to see next would be a nice pump. Yeah, so what to expect next? Where did we have some? So it's been a few days since I've looked at gods, and one of the reasons I did actually stop making videos was I lost all of my charts, and it's probably the third time in my entire career that has happened, and it seems to have happened to me twice within 2 weeks, which is slightly heartbreaking because there's a lot of hours of work that goes into building these charts. So we do seem to have found some support at 263. I don't think we'll fall lower than that. Can't promise it, but I do believe that is the low for the token. So what to look for next would be a pump to 332, unless we're going to have a period of consolidation before we move. If we get through 332, we should make it up to 391 with minimal stress. So I do expect to see a pattern like this before we move higher, some consolidation and a leg up. Now I'll mark that green because all signs point to the upside at the moment. However, we may actually fall below, consolidate for a period before we move higher. But if we're rejected for any reason, I'd see that us coming no lower than 2.6, possibly consolidating underneath before coming back up. I'm going to mark that red because I can't see that playing out. But yeah, I'm back on it, guys, so you'll see some more videos from me. Yeah, best of luck to everyone who's in. If we look back to areas where price action was comfortable, I'll give you some expected moves profit wise. So we're looking at about a 60% move to bring us back up to the lower end of our comfort zone, and we could be looking at a 200% move, so 2x from where we are, if we're going to get back up and start retesting these all-time highs. Now I can't see that happening in the next day or two, but just putting some hopium into the video because gods has been on a downward spiral for longer than we'd all care to say. So yeah, we did have a nice protection bounce, and I think as such, when we did tail off after that bounce, yeah, although we have found the new low, we have found consistent support there for nearly a week now, and we are ready to rumble. So yeah, please remember to like and subscribe, and I'll see you on the next one. Take care.